Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your science class. Today we are going to discuss about the concept that is keeping safe for class 3rd standard of chapter 6. Okay. So already we have discussed some concept of this chapter that are some safety rules at home, safety rules at school, safety rules at park and playground, and also how to keep safe on road. So these all concepts we have discussed in the last class only. In today's class we are going to discuss about that adopt healthy diet as a safety measure and importance of first aid. Okay, so about these two we are going to discuss in this class. So the first one, that is healthy and safety. Okay, so what are the healthy diets that we are going to discuss. Okay, see, apart from taking the major safety rules, we have different kinds of healthy and safety diets here. Okay, and we should also take enough measures to keep our body fit and healthy. We have to take enough food, which is which keeps our body fit and healthy, and those are nothing but eat right, exercise, rest, keeping clean. Okay, so these are the 4 points we have to follow in our daily life. Okay, so we will see one by one. First one, that is eating right. Eating right, it means we have to eat our food in a right time. Okay, so that may be a morning tiffin time, lunch, or that may be a dinner time. We have to eat in a right time. If we not eat in a right time, then it may cause us sick, illness, is it? So that's why we have to eat our food in a right time. See the first point, we should eat the food, right kind of food. Okay, so see, don't eat the junk foods, is it? So don't eat the junk foods. It means we have to eat a right kind of food. We have to eat healthy food, is it? Healthy food is nothing but which contain all the nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals. Okay, the food which contain these all nutrients, that food we have to take. See the second point, eating nutritious food protect us from falling ill. Here, make the correction here one. This is not a project. This is the protect. Okay, so here when we eat a nutrient content food which protect us from the falling illness, okay, which protect us from the sick, is it? So that's why to fight against the diseases, to fight against the illness, what we have to do, we have to take a nutrition content food. So then what kind of food we have to eat? You already I told, the food which contain the carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, fats, these all things, is it? So here I have told we have to eat these all content, but in which food it is there, we should know that. See, our food which consists of pulses, chapati, cereals, milk, and lots of fruits and vegetables. If we eat these all things, we will get all type of nutrients. Okay, so here we have to eat these all kind of food items, that may be a fruit, vegetable, pulses, chapati, cereals, milk, egg. Okay, so these all food item we have to eat. Next, see, we should not eat junk food. Okay, so that may be a pizza, burger. Okay, so these all things are comes under junk food only. So don't eat such kind of food. Okay, it will cause a diseases, it will cause a sickness. So that's why don't eat junk food. Next point, see, we should not skip our meals. We should not skip our meals. See here, at the first only I have told that don't skip your meals. You have to eat in a right time with a right food. Okay, so we have to eat the food which contain the all type of nutrition, that is carbohydrate, minerals, vitamins, and we have to take these all in a right time without skipping our meals. And we must not overeat. Okay, so how much you want, that much only you have to eat. It must not overeat. Okay, if you overeat, it may cause some other diseases, no? So that's why don't eat too much of food. Okay, so these are the points regarding the how to eat. We have to eat in a right time. We have to take the food which contain the nutritions, that may be pulses, chapati, cereals, egg, milk, fruits, vegetables, and we should avoid here junk food. We should not skip our meals. We must not overeat, and we should eat in a we have to eat in a right time and right kind of food. So these are the some points regarding the how to eat, how to take care of our meals. Okay, hope you understood. So the next thing, that is exercise. Okay, here exercise which plays a very important role in our life. Okay, see the picture, what they are doing. They are doing exercise. What is the name of that exercise is? Yes, Surya Namaskara. Very good. See, so by doing a regular exercise, it helps our body to keep fit and fine. Is it? So here a regular exercise, what it helps us to keep our body fit and fine, and it increases our breathing rate and helps our body to take in more oxygen. Okay, if a breathing rate is increases at that time, automatically which helps our body to take in more oxygen. Okay, you just feel a breathing experience. If your breathing rate is increases, then automatically the oxygen content which is breathe in gas, we take more. Okay, so this is the main useful thing from exercise. And it also increases our ability to fight against the diseases. See, if you exercise daily, if you do yoga, okay, so by doing these all which fights against the diseases, by doing this all, our body becomes fit and fine and strong. So once you become a fit and fine, then automatically you can fight with any diseases. Means there is no disease come to you. So that's why, so by avoiding, by fighting against the diseases, we have to do exercise. See the next point, do yoga and exercise in an open place. Okay, we have to do yoga and exercise in a open place. It may be a park or garden, but that area should be open and there is no disturbance in such areas. So you have to use such kind of areas for doing yoga and exercise. See, if you don't have park and playground nearest to your house, then you have to choose one room in your house, and that room should be full of light and there is no disturbance and that is open area. So you have to choose such kind of room or such kind of area, there is no disturbance and there is a full of light. Okay, so in such areas we have to do exercise. See here, exercise which keeps us body fit and fine, and which increases our breathing rate. It automatically increases that our body to take in more oxygen, and which increases the ability to fight against the diseases. And we have to do yoga exercise in an open place. So by doing these all which keeps us fit and fine, if you want to become a fit, fine and strong, then we have to do exercise, yoga. Okay, see, playing games also is a type of exercise, but with that only we have to do some other exercise like surya namaskara, pranayama. So these all things we have to do, is it? So by doing these all we can keep our body fit and fine. So now we completed eat right and exercise. The next point, that is rest. See, by doing all these things, by eating, by doing exercise, by running, jogging, work, okay, by doing these all things, here we want rest, no? So here we have to take a rest. So without rest we can't do any work more than whatever you have work in one day, more than we can't do work, is it? So that's why we have to take here rest. See the first point, there are various activities such as playing, running makes us tired. Okay, if you run, if you walk, if you play the games, then if you do work, so by doing these all it makes us tired, is it? So it makes us tired. So to prevent this tiredness, what we have to do, we have to take rest. Okay, when we take rest here we feel fresh and relaxed, is it? When we are become tired, at that time you have to take rest. So when we take rest, at that time we feel here fresh and relaxed. So that's why we have to take rest. Okay, and here we should sleep at least 8 hours every day. Every day we have to sleep at least 8 hours. More than 8 hours it is not good for our health, and less than 8 hours is not good for our health. So minimum we have to sleep at least 8 hours in a day. Okay, so by taking rest and by following this 8 hours sleep in a day, which keeps with enhance our body to work more. Okay, so that's why we have to take a proper rest. And one more thing, that we should also sleep early at night and wake up early in the morning. Okay, while sleeping we have to sleep early at the night and we have to wake up early in the morning. So these are the things we have to keep it in mind. See here, what is rest? Here there are various activities such as playing, running, jogging, doing work. By doing these all, here we want rest, no? Our body get tired. So by taking rest, we feel here fresh and relax, and which enhance our body to work more. And at least we have to sleep 8 hours in a day, and we should also sleep early at the morning and wake up early in the morning. So these are the some points how to take rest, how to follow these rules. Okay, so I hope all of you following these all rules. I have told in the last class only. In the last class also it is there, keeping safe, keeping clean, in that concept also I have told. Okay, from that day only you have to I hope all of you following that all rules. So after this rest, here keeping clean. Okay, I have told in the last chapter only how to keep our body clean. See here, if you want to avoid diseases, then we have to keep ourselves and our surrounding clean. Okay, if you want to become a healthy, if you want to become a clean, if you want to become want to avoid diseases, then we have to do what? We have to keep ourselves and our surrounding clean. Is it? If it is not clean, then we are not clean. Is it? So that's why we must keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. And we have to brush our teeth twice a day, at the morning and at the night after meals. Is it? So this is the second point. We have to brush our teeth twice a day. Next, we have to wash our hands before and after meals. Okay, before and after we have to wash our hands. And one more thing, we have to wash after using toilets. Okay, when you use a toilets, after that you have to wash your hands with hand wash, or it may be a soap. Is it? So that is a kind of how to clean. Is it? And here we must take bath. We must take bath every day and wear clean clothes. Okay, so after taking bath, here we have to wear a clean clothes. Okay, don't wear the same dresses that are weared previous day. Is it? So after bathing we should change our clothes and we should wear a clean clothes. And here we should throw garbages in dustbin. Okay, so whatever dust is there, garbages are there, dust is there, that we have to throw in dustbin. Okay, so these are the some rules how we have to keep our body and our surrounding clean. See, if you want to become avoid diseases, we have to what we have to do here, we have to keep ourselves and our surrounding clean. You have to brush our teeth twice a day. We have to wash our hands before and after meals, and after using toilets we have to wash our hands by using hand washes. And after bathing we should wear a clean clothes, and we should throw a garbage in a dustbin. Okay, so these are the some rules of keeping clean. Hope you understood. So the next thing and the last concept of this chapter, that is first aid. You just see in your textbook of page number 225, they have given an example how we can say the first aid is important for us. Okay, by reading this, by understanding this, you will understand what how important first aid is it? So see here, three friends are there. In that they have given the name of friends, that is Bidasha, Anuj, and one more thing, they have not given the name here. Once what happened, this Bidasha was playing with her friends and she suddenly fell off, hurt her, and she suddenly fell off, hurt her leg and started bleeding. Okay, so after happening this, you will become cry, no? But here she didn't cry, she needed immediate attention. So after that what happens, see the next picture. Anuj is her friend and he is very smart, he was smart. In order to help Bidasha, what happens, he got a box with all the important things needed for Bidasha's wound. He got a box. Okay, in that box all the things which are we need, that is present in that box. So he just opened that box and see, and this box is known as the first aid box. Okay, so this box is known as what? First aid box. So after taking this box, what happens, He put the antiseptic lotion on the wound and covered it with the bandages. See the picture, what he is doing? He is putting the antiseptic lotion on the wound and he covering that wound with the bandage. Is it? So by doing these things, here Bidasha, she felt better afterwards. Okay, after doing this bandage, she felt better. However, here we should always inform our elders about any kind of wound or injury. If you have any kind of wound or injury, we have to suddenly, okay, we have to inform our elders. That may be our elder brother, elder sister, parents or grandparents. Okay, so we should always inform our elders about any kind of the wound or injury. Is it? So by seeing this example, hope you understood what is the use of, what is the importance of a first aid box. This is very important, is it? So here, so by seeing this example, can you tell me the definition of first aid box? Here, the first aid means the immediate help which is given to an injured person. Okay, so how Anuj, who give the treatment, immediate help to the this Bidasha, no, like that only here. This is the first aid, which means the immediate help which is given to the injured person, that is called as the first aid. Okay, and then what is meant by first aid box? You understand what is first aid, which is the immediate help which is given to an injured person. Then what is first aid box here? The box that contains things needed to give the first aid, that is known as the first aid box. Is it? So here first aid box is nothing but, this is not I, correct it. So here what is first aid box? The box which contain materials that is used for doing first aid, that is called as the first aid box. Is it? So what is first aid here? It means the immediate help given to an injured person. And what is first aid box? Which is the box that contains the things needed to give the first aid, that is called as the first aid box. Is it? So this is about the today's class. So what we have discussed in this class? That, yes, what we discussed. So adopt healthy diet as a safety measure. In that we have discussed some healthy and safety rules, that are eat right, exercise, rest, keeping clean, and importance of first aid. So hope you understood what we have discussed in this class. So dear students, we will stop here only. If you find any difficulty in this chapter, first go to the textbook, go through this video once, twice. Then also you find any difficulty, you can contact me. So dear student, we will meet in the next class. Till that, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.